So this is an accountability video that I want to do. Today is not the best of days. And trading has these days, it has the ups and the downs, and I know this. And it's not going to be long until I have a good day. It's just today sucks. So here's what led into it. Basically, it's a case of waking up on the wrong side of the bed. Sometimes you gotta listen to that. I don't believe that you should have a day where you don't stay consistent, but maybe take on less risk. Maybe that's the thing that should come from it. Coming in, I was in 2 trades overnight. Crypto, Ethereum. I was short, and it went up just enough to hit my stop before crashing back down into what would have been real near the take profit level. And that's just happens, happens. It's all part of the plan, all part of the strategy. It's all within the probability. I know I'm only going to be a little less than 50% right. That's okay. And then I also had a currency trade, pound New Zealand overnight. Same setup that I do all the time. My last currency trade was a winner. This one wasn't. And, you wake up and you start to second guess, like, okay, what did I miss? What's the lesson to be taken away from this? And so I've got those 2 right when I wake up that I look at. And that's what I know going into the morning. And so market opens, I talk for a little bit, and I'm irritable. There's people that, they can't mute their microphone, and I'm trying to think, and I'm listening to their radio or listening to their pockets, and I'm a little more irritable than normal. 10 o'clock rolls around, I take my 2 trades, and really should have only taken one. Really should have only taken one long. On the same day, a couple of things happened, especially for the small Robinhood account. I had to take losses on both of them. They hit my risk, and I let them kind of play around a little bit and go a little bit beyond before I finally just cut them, because that's what you got to do. And that uses up 2 day trades in that account. So I have to be really, really picky, or else I'll lock out that account. And maybe that's a good thing, actually, because that points out to me that, taking 2 on in a single day doubles your risk, no matter what the individual stock is. And so if I'm trying to control risk or market risk, then only one needs to be taken. So I was also trying to do some real quick day trading on Bitcoin, and all these things are just mounting up. I've got these things coming over the night. I got these 2 that I've had to take losses on, and I just, this is where you stop. Just cut it, whatever it is, and leave the house. Go for a hike. Called up a friend. And it was really good that I did, because turns out he's struggling with some stuff, some real stuff. He's struggling with some family stuff, and I was gonna complain a little bit, but when he just opens up, and he just opens up to me about what's going on, and I just listen, because I immediately realized that it's far more serious than a losing day. So getting away from the computer is really helpful. That's one thing that I think that I need to talk to, really harp on, and I need to talk to people about it, which is everyone wants to get this after hours data, and people love trading the crypto markets because it is a 24/7 market. But really, I don't know if that's such a feature. It can be. I mean, nothing's good or bad, but for me, that's one of the reasons I really started gravitating more back towards stocks, is because they close. You're going to have more of the day not looking at them than them moving. Plus, you have the weekends off, and things can gap and stuff like that. But you don't have to worry about it. If you can't do anything, then you're free. And so, I think that you got to be really careful how trading multiple markets can affect your mood and affect other aspects of your trading. And then sometimes in fact, a lot of times, you just got to walk away. You got to get out in a beautiful, beautiful summer day and live to trade another day. So, have gratitude. Bye bye.